Cadillac is now preparing to confront and put pressure on the luxury EV establishment with the most sophisticated car they have ever produced, the impending Celestiq flagship sit-in, after the Lyriq crossover SUV. This was released recently in pre-production form, or as the maker prefers, as a show vehicle, and it will be the Cadillac CT6's successor when it goes on sale for the 2024-2025 model year. Until then, while Cadillac has already determined that we have seen enough of its liftback EV's captivating curves and posh interior, we have yet to see the ultimate series production version. So far, GM has done an excellent job of delivering the finishing touches that will allow Cadillac to begin manufacturing this low-volume hero car in 2024 or possibly 2025. The Cadillac Celestiq, which is said to be handcrafted at the General Motors Technical Center, GMTC, in Warren, Michigan, will cost an arm and a leg, serving as a major image vector for the brand's EV future, rather than a run-of-the-mill zero-emissions crossover SUV designed to compete with Teslas, as is the case with the Lyriq. The CGI specialist was careful to show us the sumptuous aesthetic, influenced by classic Cadillacs and blended with space-age accents, from many various POVs of the Celestiq's envisioned production form. Even better, the Pixel Master is obligated to provide us with a trio of color options. So which do you prefer? The dark theme, the bright theme, or something in between? Be sure to drop that in the comment section, while we remind you that you are on Lyriq Media, where information is key and accuracy is the drive to keep you abreast of the latest information and trending news regarding the EV Lyriq Cadillac and other future EVs from the Cadillac company. So if you're an enthusiast or owner of these electric vehicles, there is a spot for you here on this channel. We function as a family. We listen to your feedback in the comment section and make all of the required videos with the knowledge you need to stay current in the EV industry. If you're new here, please subscribe, like this video, and click the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. Thank you. We linked the GM files to trademark Cadillac Celestiq design themes. Stick with me as we explore this together. GM has filed 4 distinct trademark applications for the Cadillac Celestiq, which will be used for the future battery electric luxury sedans' many selectable design concepts. GM trademark registrations for Cadillac Celestiq Aurora, as well as Celestiq Magnetic, Celestiq Mist, and Celestiq Aura may be found. All 4 of these trademark applications were submitted to the United States Patent and Trademark Office on August 5, 2022, in a goods and services category reserved for motorland vehicles, particularly cars. These Cadillac Celestiq-related trademark registrations, we believe, will be the names of potential design themes for the automobile. These are most likely Cadillac design themes that mix a specified exterior color and trim combination with specific inside colors. Customers will not be bound by specific design ideas, however, because the Cadillac Celestiq, like a Rolls-Royce or Bentley, will be fully configurable. In addition, the car will be hand-built in extremely limited quantities at the GM Warren Tech Center in Michigan. In July, the Cadillac Celestiq show car made its formal premiere. The battery electric flagship has a distinct liftback body shape that draws influence from early Cadillac sedans, such as the V16-powered pre-war coaches and the 1957 Eldorado Brougham. GM's BEV3 platform, Ultium drive motors, and Ultium modular battery pack technologies will be used in the production version of the EV. A huge 55-inch infotainment display, a smart glass roof with suspended particle device technology, SPD, and GM Ultra Cruise are all likely to be included in the production model. GM has yet to say when the Cadillac Celestiq will officially enter production. We'll continue to cover the Celestiq as its official launch approaches. So be sure to subscribe to Lyric Media for more Cadillac Celestiq news, and other electric vehicles from Cadillac. Don't forget to let us your thoughts in the comment section. In the meantime, I will say bye and see you in the next video.